It's finally here! Look what I got, guys. Lightsaber. Lightsaber. So I've been waiting for this, guys, for like 2 weeks now, and it got delayed for 1 week. So I think I've waited for like 3 weeks for this to arrive here. Now, to be honest, I am not a huge Star Wars fan. I even forgot what the movie is. But one of my friend lent me his lightsaber and was like whipping it around. I was like getting excited, like feeling a kid again, and I decided to get one of these. So, enough talking, let's open it! Just kidding, it's right there, charging. Alright guys, so this is the lightsaber. This is the hilt, and actually it's charging right now, and remove that. It has a very cool charging sound, which, see that? It's like RTD2, something like that. Anyway, let's remove that. And I'm going to give you a closer look at this later on. But first, let's open this. There you go. So, first, let's start with the build quality of the lightsaber. Now, this part here is just a ABS plastic. It's durable, so you can use it for dueling. And the hilt over here, guys, is aluminum. As you can hear that. Oh, that hurts. Maybe this one. So, it's built strong. And we have a single operation button here for power on, off, and then a different selection of lights. Now, this is the lightsaber. Now, we also have plastic. This is removable, guys. I'll be doing a top-down shot, so you'll be seeing everything here. Now, what can I say about this lightsaber? So first, it doesn't look like a toy. It looks like legit. And probably this is the cheapest lightsaber that looks legit. I'll be linking this in the description box, so if you're interested in getting this, you can check that link. I don't have the specific name, guys, but it is, as you can see here, we have the lightsaber. We have a sticker here, guys, that says PJ001 RGB. So it means that we have RGB. So let's take a look at different colors here. We have red, we have green, and we have yellow, we have blue, and we have purple, and another light blue again. And then we have white. I can use this for my films, guys. See? I can use it as a light. So a closer look on these items, guys. So this is what comes in out of the box. We have the hilt, the blade, and some accessories here. Now let's talk about the hilt, which is the main player here, and let's talk about that later on. So this is the hilt, and this actually houses the LED, as you can see there. And we have some buttons over here. We have one button for function, turning it on, and of course selecting different colors. We have that, powering off, and at the bottom we have that speaker. Now this is made out of aluminum, and we have some screws here to tighten up your blade, and also this top here, guys, this top can be removed. I'll just remove that so you can see what's inside here, which is the light. And I think if you can unscrew that, you can also remove it, but I'm not going to do that. So let's just tighten this up again. Just make sure this is aligned. Alright, so I think that's aligned now. So when that's aligned, you know that is locked. Okay, so I think that's aligned. Alright, now over here guys is the charging port, and this is just for I don't know, it doesn't do anything. So at the bottom you will see the speaker, and this is the sound of it. Okay, and when you change colors, it actually has a different sound too. And it also has the wave. And the clash. But that is only sound. It doesn't change color at all. It's just for sound effects. Now, these are some of the accessories. You know, we have this manual, which I didn't read. And also this one. This is for charging. We have a USB type A there to a barrel plug that plugs over here for charging. And there is a note that this only takes 5 volt. So don't charge it on a fast charger or it will break the battery. So just take a note of that. And also this is a Allen wrench to adjust that. It goes it's for locking your blade, and a extra screws just in case you lose the original screws here. You have some extra. And now we go to the blade. Now the blade is around, let's see, this is around 56 centimeters, as you can see over here guys. So that's the length of the blade, and this, they say this is durable, so you can use it for dueling. You can hit someone with this. It's actually strong and a little bit flexible, which is great. And over here guys, at the tip, you can just remove this part and you have that. So I already placed this to the hilt, so you will see some markings there. I'm not sure if you can see that, but yep. And on the tip over here guys, we have a round tip. Okay, and this is just plastic. I think it's just ABS plastic or something, and it has a hollow hole here, as you can see over here. And let's also measure the hilt. The hilt is around 21 centimeters, all right, or 8 inches, which is okay. And this has weight to it, which is great. Now let's attach it. So I'll just find my original markings here, as you can see, and then just align it, and then there you go. It's actually tight, but you can also use this to lock it in place, which you can just move it like that, and also on the other side. All right, so we installed the blade to the hilt, and I have like a lot of lights here, so let's see how it copes up with the lighting. All right, we still have a decent lighting here, as you can see here guys. This is green, we have yellow and blue and purple and light blue and a white. So that's the quality of the light, as you can see guys. And this is the tip. And let's change that color to red. Alright, so here's the thing guys. So if you select like green and you turn it off, the next time you turn it on, it goes back to red, which kind of annoying, but I found a way around to that, which is, for example, you select color, select blue, you hold it, you don't let go, and then you press again, it goes back to blue. But as soon as you let go of that, it will just go to the default. When you power it off, it will return to red. See? So you have to really select the color, for example blue, hold it until it turns off, don't let go of the button, and then press it again. There you go, you have the blue. Alright guys, so I had so much fun with this lightsaber, and if you're still watching, consider subscribing because I had so much fun making this video. And if you're interested in getting your lightsaber, check the link in the description box. It helps me a lot. And again guys, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.